Oh yes, it's party time! I just can't control my feet. And soon I won't be able to control my mouth because it's Magnum time on board this beautiful yacht. Okay everybody, let's get on board for some Magnum and Mischief. What better than the beautiful Sydney harbour of this magnificent luxury yacht?
We love Magnum!
Ah yes, some Aperol Spritz. A perfect start. Or maybe some bubbles. Dom Perignon, anybody? Can't decide? Let's have both. Cheers! Oh my goodness, check out this view! Yes, hop right in, the bubbles are great! Trying the Magnum Luxe on Sydney Harbour. If I'm dreaming, please don't wake me up. Just in case you don't know why we're here, it's a capital M for Magnum. And yes, I will have some more if you don't mind. And there's below deck action happening also. And with Magnum, dreams really do come true.